Claim to be something other than young Soriano. What do you know about him?
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jairus back again with another video. It's been a while since I picked up a camera. I haven't had very much motivation to film. Today I decided I'm gonna just film whatever. I'm gonna do some conditioning and I might punt a little bit. I don't have anybody to like throw around with today, so this is gonna be a dolo video. I'm gonna do some conditioning. The purpose of this whole video is just to sort of highlight some of the things that they don't tell you about whenever you're going off to college to play football. A few things like being in shape. It's probably the most important thing. That's not the conversation when you're going off to college. They always tell you, oh, you're gonna do this and that. But being in shape is probably one of the most important things. A lot of schools have conditioning tests, and that conditioning test can be super daunting whenever you're preparing to go off to college. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work on some conditioning. A couple of the videos I know you've seen, I'm always exhausted. Like the cowboy video I did when I put on the cleats, I was tired. It was hot because I don't really condition very often because I don't play football anymore. But I'm playing it for YouTube now, so I guess I gotta put some effort into getting into shape so I can do this a little better than I have been. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna condition and I'm gonna just talk to you guys about sort of the college experience. I might give you guys some tips on how to be a better receiver. It depends on what I can do out on this field. Yeah, so stay tuned. So my high school mascot were the First Coast Buccaneers, sort of a pirate type of thing. And whenever we would condition, we would do these things called buck laps. Buck laps are essentially when you go up the stadium, you go up, down, then on the other side, up, down. You go around the track, you go up, down, around the track. And that would be one buck lap. So yeah, today I'm just gonna do one buck lap because I haven't conditioned in a while. So I just like doing 2 and 3 and 4 I might die. So I'm not gonna do that. It's been a while since I've done this, so give me a break if it takes me a while. Once I get done with that lap, we will go back to the field. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Alright, so I just got done with the conditioning, the buck lap. It's hot out here, boy. If this video don't get uploaded, y'all know exactly why. Your boy done passed off from heat stroke. But yeah, so I'm out here. I gotta put my cleats on and I'm gonna do some punting. So my original plan was like punt, do some directional punting, go chase the ball for conditioning, come back. But I think I'm gonna also incorporate this little stance start bar too, just to work on my explosion, working on getting out from the receiver stance. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more of that in the videos. Hopefully I can get some more one-on-ones at some point. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my cleats on and I'm gonna get out here. All right, so I got my cleats on. I'm out here on the field. I'm gonna do some punting. I think I'm gonna do some directional punting, so like towards the corners. I haven't actually done that before, and I think it might be pretty interesting. I haven't actually worked on, I guess, punt accuracy. When I punted in college, I would just punt for distance and try to get it on either side of the hash mark. So I think I'm gonna work on trying to get it outside the numbers, maybe the numbers, the sideline, see what I can do there, and then I'll do some conditioning in between. And I might do some stance and starts, run routes and stuff with the stance and start bar that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm gonna do that. So drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to talk about in these videos. Yikes. Alright. Just an FYI, I'm just warming up. I don't know if I'm putting that on video. Yeah, you know what? Okay. I'm gonna leave it in there, but just the FYI, I'm just warming up. I haven't punted the ball in a couple weeks. So disregard that. I'm gonna go run and get that, and then I'm gonna set up the cones while I'm down there. There's 2 orange cones over there. I'm gonna set them down there in the corner where I'm trying to aim for, and then we'll actually get started with the actual work. But I'm gonna run down there as if I'm conditioning. So I think I'm gonna just do one more of those because that's actually getting kind of boring. I'm gonna do the stance and start receiver stuff. I might run a couple routes too. That seems a bit more exciting because I haven't punted in a while. So I'm gonna do one more of those punts and I'm gonna do that. Yard burst actually. This next time I'm gonna switch feet. Make sure you guys are switching feet so you're pretty much working on both sides. So now for this, I'm gonna either run a slant or a quick out. By my stance and start, you should know which route I'm running. So I'm gonna go back and watch it and critique myself. I want you to drop a comment, let me know how you think I did. To keep it completely 100, I can probably guarantee you I was leaning either or direction when I was at the top of those routes. I like to lean on my out routes, which is a really bad habit, so don't do that. I think my slants, I'll start like leaning to the inside also. This is a bad habit. Make sure you keep straight, eyes up, all that. I need to get rid of those bad habits. I don't practice it enough, which is my fault. So make sure you're practicing that. And also, if you can make one of these, get some PVC pipe and make one, or use like a, I don't know, something that to show you how tall you're standing when you're in your route. Because I promise you, staying low is one of the most important things. If a DB sees you're lackadaisical on the line, they'll either know it's a running play or they'll know you're not important in the route. So if you stay low every time, explode off the line, they have to respect whatever it is you're doing. So stay low, explode out every route. So that's really gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to teach you guys about just being in shape, being prepared for camp if you're going off to college, even if you're going off to high school, or if you're going back to high school. Just be in shape, be prepared for camp. Just make sure your cardio is up to where it needs to be in order to play a full game, in order to practice for 2.5 hours, whatever, what have you. Just be in shape. And for the receivers, just make sure you stay low and stay explosive out of your stance and start. Stance and start is the most important thing because that's what starts the play for you. If you're not in a good stance and start, the play is probably not going to go your way if you really think about it in the grand scheme of things. Because the cornerback's probably going to read whatever it is you're doing if you're lazy, and the quarterback just won't trust you. The quarterback won't trust you at all if he sees that you're showing lazy habits, getting off the line slow, standing upright in your route, doing this and that, all the signs show that you're not a reliable receiver. So stay low, explode out of every route. Every route, every play should look the same for you if you're a receiver. Stance and start should always be strong and explosive. That way cornerbacks can't read what it is that you're doing. They should not be able to tell the difference between a run play and a pass play when it comes to your stance and start. I'm gonna be done out here. I might go play basketball later, so I might film that. I don't know yet. I might just film me shooting around or something. I don't know. But we'll see. If I don't, I'll end the video right here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you haven't liked the video, which you should have, because I'm providing you with tips that I didn't have when I was going to college. So go ahead and like this video. I'm doing this for y'all. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. If I don't film tonight,